Sarah. And AJ. AJ's showing you her tongue. Hanging out on the couch. AJ doesn't feel great today. But she does love that tongue. Tongue. What do you want to say to the camera? You want to grab it? Of course you do. Now you want to eat it. Because that's what you do with everything. Oh, but I wouldn't let you eat it. I know, it's so mean. Can you say duck? Good job. Can you say dad? Good job. Can you say tickle tickle? Tickle tickle. Can you say UPS truck out the window? Can you say, what else can you say? Can you say banana? Can you say banana? Banana. Banana. How about we go with duck again? Can you say duck? Say duck. 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 Good job. What else do you want to say? Can you say ma? Close. Alright, how about you wave to the camera? Can you wave? Can you wave? Good waving. Say bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye.